What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the fam. We had a special request in the last video that you did that we stick you in the Karate Kid movie.
Sounds good. I still haven't watched it, but
Yeah, we can. It's not like we could walk down to the Blockbuster or anything and get the Karate Kid.
like that.
But we did check Netflix.
And Amazon Prime and DirecTV, but they didn't have it.
And we couldn't find it anywhere. So, Blockbuster, where are you?
What? Anyways, roll it. Here's the before, and here's the after.
Fun fact, did you know Charlie Sheen auditioned for the role of Daniel-san?
Charlie Sheen.
Charlie Sheen. Wild Thing, Ricky Bond? No? Alright, never mind then.
Do you even know that I haven't even watched it?
All right, we successfully stuck you into the Karate Kid movie. How do you think it went?
Amazing.
Amazing indeed. All right.
See you next time.
Hasta la vista.
What language is that?
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
What?
Whose kid are you?
Yours? Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and smash that subscribe button to be part of our design fam. See you next time. Bye!